Hi friends, welcome to Excel Weekly Challenge number 9. Now, let us first try to see what is the challenge. So I'll click on the challenge tab, and here you can see that I want a Power Query to get a count of all colors by size. So here you can see that we are having one database called as store, in which we have the color of the item and the size in ounce and the count. We have another database called as warehouse 1, in which we have the size, the color, the brand and the count. And we have one more sheet called as inventory 2, in which we have another database in a pivoted format. Now what we want is, we want a cumulative data of all the three tables in one particular sheet, so that I should be able to get a count of all the colors. So if I select cherry, I want a count of 12-ounce size in all the three sheets. That is this one and this one. Same way, if I select cyan 3.5, I should be able to get the count in all the three sheets. So go ahead, pause the video and try to conquer this challenge. Then you can come back and see whether your answer matches mine. Well, now that you are back, let me show you how we'll resolve this challenge. So we'll first go into the inventory sheet, click anywhere inside, then click on data and select queries and connection. So you can see that already the two tables, store and warehouse 1, have been taken into our Power Query. Now we have to take warehouse 2. So I'll right click anywhere inside my data and select get data from table/range. Now you can see that I am in the Power Query editor. Let me change the name of this table to warehouse 2. So I type it as warehouse 2 and hit enter. Now let us see the column headings in all three. But before doing that, remember in warehouse 2, we have the data in a pivoted fashion. So I'll right click on the first column and select unpivot other columns. Now the data is proper, except that the size column, we have this word OZ, that is ounce, after each numeric, which is not there in store, it is just numeric. In warehouse 1 also size is just numeric. Just in warehouse 2 the size has this ounce word. So what we'll do, we'll select attribute and then we'll select split column by delimiter and select the delimiter as space and select OK. Now it's got split. Now we select this column, right click and select remove. Now let us try to check the column headings in all the three tables. So in store 1, the column heading is color, size and count. Let us just change this heading to only size. Okay, and hit enter. Then come to warehouse 1. Let's change this heading to size. Hit enter. Now the brand column we don't need, so we'll right click and we'll select remove. So in store we have color, size, count. In warehouse 1 we have color, size and count. And in warehouse 2 we have color. Let's change this to size and let's change this to count. So now in all three sheets, store we have color, size, count. Warehouse 1 we have color, size, count. And warehouse 2 we have color, size, count. Now we'll click on the append queries and append queries as new. Here we'll select 3 or more tables and add the missing tables, warehouse 1 and store, and click on OK. Now we have the appended table. So this table append contains cumulative data of store, warehouse 1 and warehouse 2. Now we will first sort the data. So we will select sort basis the color, ascending order, and within color the size in the ascending order. So we have blue 12, 8, 3.5. Okay, so let us just see. Cherry 12, 8, 8. Cyan 12, 8, 3.5, and so on. So we have sorted it based on the size in ascending order, A to Z, and then within size we have selected the size. Within color we have selected the size in ascending order. So you have blue 3.5, 8, 12, cherry 3.5, 8, 12, cyan 3.5, 8, 12, and so on. Now we'll group them. So we select this column and we select group by, and we select advanced. We'll select group by color. Then add group, we'll select size. So within color size, then what you want sum of which column, the count column, and what name you want to give. So we want to give the name as totals, and then we'll click on OK. So here you can see that now it's got grouped. So in blue for 8 ounce size we have 6, for blue for 3.5 we have 1, and for blue for 12 we have 4. Let's just sort it A to Z ascending, and within this size ascending. So blue 3.5, 1, blue 8 is 6, blue 12 is 4, and same way for cherry, same way for cyan, same way for fluorescent orange, gold, indigo. So we have conquered our challenge. Hope you liked this challenge. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.